Introducing Sticker Shield, the amazing windshield protecting product that lets you stick it, unstick it, and re-stick it over and over again. Say goodbye to the hassles of scraping off old sticker residue from inside car windows. With Sticker Shield, you can easily apply and reapply stickers, toll transponders, and decals. Hi, I'm here to tell you a little about this fascinating and easy to use product. First of all, what exactly is Sticker Shield? Sticker Shield is a flexible, sturdy, and transparent film coated with a high-tech reusable adhesive on one side and a glossy surface on the other. Sticker Shield works on new and old vehicles alike. It even works on modern ceramic-coated windshields. What is Sticker Shield used for? Sticker Shield is used to mount toll transponders, window decals, and traditional stickers to smooth surfaces like windshields. Sticker Shield allows you to securely mount these items and then remove and remount them to another location or to an entirely different vehicle. And just like that, within a couple minutes, Sticker Shield has allowed me to remount this toll transponder without having to scrape the windshield or use solvents to get rid of old adhesive residue. How do you use Sticker Shield? Sticker Shield is easy to use. Each pack of Sticker Shield comes with simple instructions. Instructional videos and written directions for various types of uses are available on our website, stickershield.com. It's as easy as that. Remember, more detailed instructions and use videos can be found on our website, stickershield.com. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Sticker Shield. Happy sticking, unsticking, and resticking. Bye for now.